Hello students, this is a 7.1 exercise, 6th question, second Roman. Here they are given 4 coordinate points and they are asking us to find what type of quadrilateral can form with these 4 points as vertices. So, quadrilateral, that means here, four vertices are given. One, two, three, four. For assume that they are the vertices of a quadrilateral. So we need basically the length of the sides. The length of the sides are required to check the properties of quadrilateral. The quadrilateral is a rhombus. The quadrilateral is a square. The quadrilateral is a rectangle or parallelogram. To check the properties, first of all, we need length of the sides. So we need length. Length means here we have a point. Here we have a point. We will find distance formula. Distance between two points. That is the length. Length is nothing but the distance between 2 points. So in this way, we are going to find length of 4 sides like cyclic quadrilateral AB, BC, AB, BC, CD, DA. Is it clear? So first we will find length of AB. Take the point A, take the coordinate point B, and we have the distance formula. Write the distance formula, substitute. So this explanation is not required. Of course I will explain. Some points are there to note it down. Substitute, simplify. See here, root of 36 plus 16. It look like root of 36 is 6. Root of 16 is 4. But here we have a plus. This is, that means they are two terms. So we cannot apply root separately for the terms. Therefore, we should not simplify like this. So this operation cannot be done, the root operation cannot be done separately for 36 and 16. So root of 36 plus 16 is 52. Now just write into the factors 4 times 13. So the root will apply for 4, root will apply for 13. So when the root apply for 4, you will get 2. Root apply for 13, that is root 13. So the distance between A and B is 2 root 30. In the same way, B and C. Take the formula, substitute, simplify, you will get root 13. Here 2 root 13, here root 13. Now check distance between C and D. Write the formula, substitute, simplify. So here root 50, root 50 can be written as 25 times 2, that is 25 has root, perfect square root, times root 2. So it is 5 times root 2. Now 5 root 2. dA, write the formula, substitute, simplify, you will get 85, root 85. So if you observe, here we have one answer, here we have another answer, that is the distance between 2 points. Here we have another answer, here we have another answer. Therefore, we can say all the length of sides of the quadrilateral are unequal. So there is no pair or equal, therefore it is not at all a trapezium. So we have to check AB is not equal to BC, BC is not equal to CD, CD is not equal to DA. So there is no equality to check the properties of a quadrilateral. So we have to check in another way. First, you take a graph and try to plot the points on the graph. Now, the A point, A is here minus 3 comma 5. Minus 3 comma 5. This could be the A. And this could be the B. And this could be on y-axis. Here we have 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3 belongs to y-axis. Y-axis. And D will be here. If you join A, C, B, they will come into one line. They are collinear. So here, given 4 points, among the 4 points, 3 points are collinear. So only 1 point left over, and basically we can conclude that this is not at all a quadrilateral. So we can, there is no way to say type of quadrilateral. First, basically it is not at all a quadrilateral, and 3 points are collinear, 1 point was separated. Therefore, the given points are not vertices of any quadrilateral. That's all.